Hello friends, how are you? Let us continue with the 11th chapter. So far we have studied sources of water, water resources and uses, irrigation, multi-purpose project, distribution of area under irrigation, water crisis, management, conservation of water resources, watershed development. Now I am going to teach you the most important topic of the chapter, rainwater harvesting. Special methods to collect the rainwater and conserve it include the construction of the wells, small dams, khet talawdi. Okay, water is conserved through these mediums, and this also raise the groundwater level. So this is called rainwater harvesting. This may fulfill the requirement of the domestic use and the agriculture. So conserve the rainwater, connect it through the wash pipe to the underground tank. Okay, the construction of the wells, small dams, khet talawdi, and this water can be used for the domestic also and agriculture also. So main objectives of the rainwater harvesting, this you have to remember students: to increase the capacity to conserve the groundwater and increase the underground water table. Increase the underground water table. Second, reduce the water pollution that should be stopped. Improve the quality of the groundwater. To save the land roots from waterlogging, excess water that create the marshy lands. Reduce the surface runoff of the water. Then fulfill the requirement of the domestic water requirement during the summer and during the long dry spells. When rainfall that not there, during that time this water can be utilized. Okay, fulfill the requirement of the domestic water requirement during the summer. Especially summer, we are facing the problem of water cut, means very less water. Fulfill the increasing the demand of the water. Make arrangement to store rainwater in the underground tank in multi-store residence, means buildings, in a large cities, or arrangement should be made so the water percolated in the ground. In the multi-storage buildings, they have underground water tanks, so they connect the water, they collect the rainwater, okay, and water percolated in the ground, accumulated in the ground. So these all are the objectives of the rainwater harvesting. This you have to remember, and this is very important. Now students, most important topic. So following points should be considered for water management. These all points are very important. You have to remember. First point, use water economically, judicially, properly for gardens, vehicles, in toilets and wash basins. So use water properly. Second, public awareness should be created. Why this chapter included in your syllabus? For creating awareness. Participation in water conservation and skill management should be increased. If possible, recycle the used water. Next point, save the reservoirs from the pollution. Next point, increase the use of all the units of water harvesting structures like well, tube wells, khet talawdi. Keep a watch on those units, means industrial units, which using the ground water. Prevent the deterioration, means spoiling of the water storage units. Repair the damaged pipe, mostly where we are not getting water properly because of the pipe damage. So repair the damaged pipelines immediately to stop the water pollution. Uniform step cannot be applied for every area. Local people should be included with their due cooperation for the development management of water resource of the special reasons. So local people should take the initiative for the solution of the water. Thus, water should be utilized economically. Various methods are being implemented for water conservation. Whether the rainfall occurs or not, the crisis is pending on us. Whether it is a farm or a water place in the house, we have to conserve water. That's our moral duty. We have to save every drop of the water, and water is the life. Now textual exercise, state the remedies to conserve the water. So here two remedies are given to them. Remedies for conservation of water. See here, this just now I have explained to you all, page number 93. These all points given to you that remedies. Describe the circumstances created water crisis in India, page number 91 and 92. The first paragraph you have to comprehend, write it down. That give information about the rainwater harvesting, page number 92. Rainwater harvesting given to you. In that you have to write it down, the method of the rainwater harvesting and the objectives of the rainwater harvesting. Now the importance of multi-purpose project. So here you have to remember page number 90, last paragraph. Then write about the distribution of irrigation. So here page number 91, in that the distribution of area under the irrigation, these two paragraphs you have to write it down. Uses of groundwater, page number 90, the sources of water given to you. In that groundwater, that uses of groundwater you have to write it down. Which factors should be considered for water management? So here the management and conservation of water resources, you will get the answer of the watershed development, rainwater harvesting. Which factors should be considered for the water management? That you have to remember, students. Okay, water management. So that factors that you have to consider to be important for the water management: watershed development, rainwater harvesting, use of water judiciously, water should be utilized economically. Okay, when rainfall occurs, water crisis is pending on us. These all factors that we have to remember. Now students, select the correct options from the options given for the following questions and the right answer. Question number 1, which is the main source of surface water? That rivers. First, C, rivers. Second, correct the following multi-purpose projects with the beneficiary states and select the correct order. Bhakra Nangal project, that B, Punjab. Kosi, A, Bihar. Nagarjuna Sagar project, D, Andhra Pradesh. Fourth, Narmada, Gujarat. So answer is correct. B answer is correct. So second, B. Third, which of the following statement is not true? Himalayan rivers are called seasonal rivers. Fourth one, which of the statement regarding Khet Talavadi presented in the classroom during the students' debate is true? So answer is D, student. In the slide it's tick mark C, but actually answer is D. Daksh. It is a part of a rainwater harvesting. Students, answer is D. It is a part of rainwater harvesting. Now fifth one. After arranging the following multipurpose project from north to south, which option seems to be correct? So answer is D. Bhakra Nangal project, Chambal Valley, Narmada Valley, Nagarjuna Sagar. So students, write it down these textual question answers in your fair book. All the best.